Crash course on Uruguay, Montevideo, the cultural capital. Welcome to a crash course on Uruguay, focusing on its vibrant capital city, Montevideo. In this crash course, we'll explore the rich cultural heritage of Montevideo, share some interesting stories and examples, and dive into the top 12 attractions that make this city a must-visit destination. Lastly, a poem will capture the essence and beauty of Uruguay. Montevideo, the capital city of Uruguay, is a bustling metropolis that embodies the country's cultural richness. Its roots can be traced back to the colonial era when the city was established as a strategic port. Throughout its history, Montevideo has experienced periods of growth, transformation, and resilience, shaping its unique identity. One interesting story is the legend of La Diligencia, an iconic tango composition by Julio Sosa. This passionate and melancholic song tells the tale of a mysterious woman who boarded a carriage and disappeared into the night, leaving an everlasting mark on the city's folklore. Now, let's explore the top 12 attractions that showcase the charm and allure of Montevideo. 1. Ciudad Vieja, Old Town. Wander through the historic heart of the city, with its colonial architecture, narrow streets, and vibrant atmosphere. 2. Plaza Independencia, the main square of Montevideo, featuring the iconic statue of national hero José Gervasio Artigas and the gateway of the citadel. 3. Teatro Solis. Immerse yourself in the performing arts at this historic theater, known for its stunning architecture and world-class performances. 4. Rambla de Montevideo. Take a leisurely stroll along the scenic coastline, enjoying beautiful views of the Rio de la Plata. 5. Mercado del Puerto. Indulge in a culinary adventure at this lively market, famous for its mouth-watering barbecue and traditional Uruguayan cuisine. 6. Parque Rodó. Escape the hustle and bustle of the city and relax in this picturesque park, complete with a lake, gardens, and cultural attractions. 7. Museo Torres Garcia. Discover the works of renowned Uruguayan artist Joaquín Torres Garcia, known for his abstract art and contributions to the constructivist movement. 8. Estadio Centenario. Visit the historic stadium that hosted the first-ever FIFA World Cup in 1930, and witness the passion for football that runs deep in Uruguay. 9. Mercado Agrícola de Montevideo. Experience a fusion of history and modernity at this renovated market, offering fresh produce, local products, and a vibrant atmosphere. 10. Museo Nacional de Artes Visuales. Explore Uruguay's art scene at this national museum, housing an impressive collection of visual art from various periods. 11. Park Battle. Enjoy recreational activities in this sprawling park, home to the iconic Obelisco and Estadio Centenario. 12. Rambla de Montevideo. Experience the vibrant nightlife of Montevideo in the bustling neighborhoods of Pocitos, Punta Carretas, and Carrasco. In summary, Montevideo, Uruguay's cultural capital, invites you to immerse yourself in its rich heritage, vibrant art scene, and captivating landmarks. From the historic streets of Ciudad Vieja to the stunning coastline of the Rambla, this city offers a blend of history, creativity, and natural beauty. And now, a poem inspired by the essence and beauty of Uruguay. In Montevideo, where culture thrives. The city's heartbeat, where passion arrives. Colonial charm on cobbled streets. A tapestry of stories, every corner meets. Plaza Independencia, a symbol of pride. Artigas stands tall, a hero's guide. Teatro Solis, a stage alive. Whispers of performances, spirits revive. Rambla's embrace, the river's caress. Sunset hues paint a picture, no less. Mercado del Puerto, aromas so sweet. Barbecue delights, a mouth-watering treat. Parque Rodó, nature's haven serene, where time slows down and spirits convene. Museo Torres Garcia, art's purest form. Abstract visions, a creative storm. Estadio Centenario, football's shrine. Roars of passion, memories intertwine. Mercado Agrícola, a market reborn. Tradition and modernity, harmoniously adorn. Museo Nacional de Artes Visuales, treasures untold. Visual wonders, stories to unfold. Park Battle, where dreams ignite. Obelisco's watch, the city's guiding light. Montevideo's rhythm, a symphony of delight. where history, art, and nature unite. Uruguay's capital, a cultural gem. Embracing all who visit, a cherished emblem. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for supporting our Anhub Metaverse channel, and may Montevideo's cultural heritage and captivating attractions enhance your journey.